But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Excuse my appearance, I'm in my night clothes still. So I know you guys probably wondering what's going on, as in because I told you guys in the last video what I was gonna do, because Andre wastes juice over here and this road need to be clean because it haven't been clean since I put it down. So I'm taking everything up. Well, I'm washing clothes all at the same time. You guys see that in the beginning of me doing that. Sorting the clothes out. I done put the white load in there. I was gonna hang them out online, but it's raining. My eye's still jumping. It's raining, so I'm just gonna wash the clothes, all the clothes up, and then just take them to the wash house to dry them. And as well as this roll, since it could ball all up, I'm going to wash it at the big boy though. I'm not gonna wash it in my parents' washer. So that's what I'm doing now. At this point here, moving stuff all out the way, so therefore I could go ahead and get this roll on up from up under here, and then so I can take it to get washed. But I may try to change the room around a little bit. I'm gonna see, can this bed fit a different way? If it can't, it'll just go back the same way though. But I'm gonna mop and everything up in here before I put the rug and all that down, sweep it and stuff like that again. But yeah, happy Wednesday. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I do want to say thank you guys, because you guys are showing mad love, as in subscribing, as in supporting. Like, my views are growing. I thank you guys so much. Continue to let the ads play. I ain't started working quite yet, but continue letting the ads play and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and finish doing what I was doing. I'm gonna have to pull it up from over here. So yeah, and I got a lot of clothes to wash, a lot, just because I didn't wash none last week. Ugh, hate that. Broke the nail again. At this point, I have to get a full damn set if I break another nail. Get those nails breakers. Do y'all remember that movie? That's too young for you if you don't. That means you are too. You're too young if you don't know nothing about that now. Get those nails breakers. Get those nail breakers. But yeah, let me start rambling and go and finish doing what I was gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this, and I'll be back to you guys, okay? Because it's gonna be for me to keep on time lapsing this. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound?
All right, y'all, so I'm done. I got the rug and everything up, but honestly, when I picked that rug up, it seemed so heavy. Like it even too heavy to go in a big boy. So I'm kind of scared to take it to the washer and try to wash it. So I may just try to spot clean it in the part that I had that was over here that had the Kool-Aid and stuff that had waste on it. Try to clean that area and just swap it around, because you know more of the other part was up under the bed. So, and turn it around, because I am kind of scared to actually take it. I don't know, I think I need to get like a little vacuum and try to clean that, other than to really try to wash it. Even though it said it could be washed, but I'm scared to break somebody's stuff. So I don't know, but what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and sweep this floor and everything, wipe the walls down some, and mop. And then I'm gonna come back and lay that rug out, the part where the Kool-Aid and stuff at, towards that way, and spot clean it. That's what I'm gonna do, cause honey, I'm so afraid to take that rug to the cleaners now, to the washer. I really am. I need to go back and find the instructions too, so I can know how to do it, or go look on the website to see. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I may just, I don't know.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man. can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me.
Let this dry. I got the fan blowing so it can go ahead and dry this portion of the room. And then I do the other portion off camera, like over here and stuff like that.
Let's set the tone. A bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows. A couple of hours. See how it goes. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table.
All right, so I'm gonna take the chance of taking it to the washer, because baby, it is dirty. I was trying to see if there's ways I can spot clean it. I can't. Let's find some clothes to put on, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get this stuff prepped all up and put it in the car. And I'll see you guys at the wash house. It rained through me all big time. And then there's another thing. I washed my car yesterday. Oh, I'll tell you. Life is not fair. At freaking all. I'm sorry. I got my bunny still on. I can't help it, honey. I got to go because the rain done got harder since this morning. You know, people talk about it's supposed to stop at 11 o'clock. It's 2:03. And I have to go because I need to get that rug clean. I really do need to get that rug clean. My face. It's nasty looking. Whew. Let me go. I'm going to the one we done went to once before, the expensive one, the luxury one. That luxury. So I'm going to that one there. So good thing that all I gotta do is dry clothes, but I need to wash the rug. Freak me! I ain't got nothing to wash the rug with. How I supposed to wash the rug if I ain't got nothing to wash it with? Ugh. coming in clutch. You hear me? That back camera coming in clutch. I wouldn't advise anybody doing it if you ain't used to doing it though. Me and my dad. Hold on, y'all. Put the mask back on. Y'all hear that raindrops? Jesus Christ. Got an umbrella. And Daddy told me to get the umbrella. So I got the umbrella. All right, let's try this again. Let's go. Man. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. They only have this one big one here, $12.95. So let me see what the instructions was again, and then we'll do. I know it's tumbler, gently, cold. Okay, that's what we gotta put it on. So yeah.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it.
Here.
We do when it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside.
Okay, y'all, it may do something. Ain't no lot of subs, I know that much. And I pulled a whole lot of what you call it now, but baby, it ain't doing a whole lot. But hopefully, gets it out there.
Catch me, no, I never let them claim me. Wild thing, try to take. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Believe it or not, y'all know that rug cost $13 to wash. And I was home complaining about cleaning that rug that I should just spot clean it, this, that, and the third, which I should have just did. Saved my $13. Not even 13. Let's see. Because now I put it in the dryer. I'm putting it in the dryer again for the second time. The first dryer was $2.75. So what we at 13 or $14, 15, 16, 75. Now I got it in the other one. 18, I would say $19, $20. And it still ain't clean. Only thing it did took out was the red spot of the Kool-Aid. Everything else is still dirty. And I poured all the fabric softener and detergent in there. Well, not all, but I poured a nice amount in there. Ain't do jack. So I should just left it like it was. It just turned it around like I was thinking about doing and just spot clean the Kool-Aid up. I could have saved $20. Girl. Ridiculous. So the clothes, the towel's not even completely dry. It's just, what's the point of having all this luxury and they still don't do the job? Ain't nothing like them old school washers and dryers, boy. Ain't nothing like them. They get so hot to feel like they about to catch on fire. Look, did not clean it at all. Just took up the red Kool-Aid. That's it. I could smell the fabric and everything, the liquid detergent, everything in the rug, but it did not clean it. I'm gonna have to get another type of rug vacuum to clean it, because that washing ain't working. So guess we just leave it like this. Red roses, colorful ones. Go with these. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, queens and kings. Happy Friday. So today we started off as in seeing some things I need to do for my job. I had to come over here to Royal Palm and do, hold on y'all, I had to do a background check and my fingerprints and stuff like that. I just got through doing drug tests here at the Walgreens, and right up the road I just did the fingerprints and stuff, and I also went to Publix and got me some flowers. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. They're so pretty. So as of right now, we still don't start work yet until everything come back, background check and all that stuff there. When I get home, I need to go to the bank. I need to go open up an account into a new bank, because the banks that I have, they don't have them back home. They have them here in Palm Beach, but not back home. So, and I'm tired of paying $5 service fee, because the bank charges service fees and the damn ATM machine charges service fees. I already got a $5. So yeah, so I'm gonna go home and we're gonna do that. What else we got to do? We ain't got nothing to do. I need to finish the room. Well, I'm gonna go clean up the room and stuff when I get back. And I need to wash the last little bit of those clothes, those towels and stuff, which I need to rewash them, because of some of that I washed them yesterday, but child, it went left for me supposed to be drying them. So yeah, happy Friday, you guys. We made it to the end of the week, honey. Thank God. Whew. That's what it is. So we're about to get ready to head back home, like I said, and make the trip to the bank. Yeah, we got a job. We got a job. Oh, speaking of we got a job, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the congratulations. I appreciate it. The prayers, the wishes. Like, yes, it's only way up. It's only up from here. So we're leveling up. So I thank God for it. Thank God for it. I really do. And I thank you guys for rocking with me, sticking beside me, helping me out, my family and I. Thank you so much. But don't stop watching, because we ain't started making the money yet. Even when we do make money, still continue to watch. That's not what I'm saying. But yeah, because that's gonna help me save faster. All right, y'all, so I done pulled up here to Wells Fargo. Just realized again that today is Friday and the bank be full. So what I'm gonna do is actually make an account online. I do it that way because it'll be easy for me to do it that way, because I don't feel like it. I don't feel like getting out. I'm tired. I need to get to the house. And besides, I need to go home and put my flowers in water anyway. So yeah. And I can finish doing what I need to do to the house before the children get back. Oh man, I'm tired of sleeping. But I know I can't sleep. Are y'all like that? Can you sleep in the afternoon? Baby, I wish I could go home and fall out in one of them good naps and just rejuvenate. But baby, I can't. I go laying down his mind, go to racing, tell a girl, get up, 'cause we gotta do this. You know you gotta do that. Go ahead so you get up and get ahead of yourself to do this. You gotta finish doing that. Come on, 'cause we need to go here before the children get here. Listen, that mind be going, baby. I be like, shut up. Oh. Sure, perfect like a load. Ooh, I want a burger. Hello. This is what I wanted, some sheets. We got gray. Is that gray? It is gray. Maybe I get gray instead of black. Yeah, I get some gray. It's pretty. Yep. Size.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space.
All right, y'all. So I'm in Family Dollars, as you all know. But you know, Andre's birthday is next weekend. Next week, Thursday. He'll be 8 years old. But I asked him what kind of cake he wants, and he was like, a dinosaur cake, which I was shocked of. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, he's been asking for dinosaurs. But you know, he will watch dinosaurs and stuff like that. He watched the little movie Dino. He will watch that over and over. So I'm in Family Dollars, and I see they have some little dinosaurs and stuff in here. They have these here, and these for $5. These different color ones, but then they have this little village of dinosaurs too. And you know, I did the flower bouquet for Jasmine for her birthday, so for his birthday I'm gonna do the little money thing where you pull the money, or pull something on top, and the money just keep coming and coming. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm thinking about using one of these dinos heads to put on top of for the whole area, and when you pull it up, the money attached to it to the bottom, and it keep on pulling and pulling. So now I just need to find a box to do it. But yeah, I got distracted while I'm in here all damn way. Let me get from over here. I can't pick up some sheets. That's what I came for. Oh, and some washing powder, so I can wash the rest of the little load of clothes. But other than that, so I need to get up out of here before I spend too much more money. Look at that. Anytime I see some dinosaurs, I'm looking at it. What is this? Dino World Grab. Oh, that's where you grab the money. A money grab. A money grabber. Don't like that. I don't like that. So, but yeah, let me find this box and get out of here. Hey, Queens and Kings. So obviously I made it back home. But anyways, child, I went to Family Dollars. I picked up these sheets because I'm gonna put these sheets on the bed. Put these on the bed. Then I bought some washing powder so I could go ahead and rewash those towels and stuff that's in the washing machine that I totally forgot about that I put in there. Then I picked up these toilet bowl thingamajigs. Family Dollars had them marked down to like $12, I think. And that's pretty much it, besides the stuff that I had got Andre for his birthday, which I'll show you guys that because speaking of his birthday, his teacher did respond back to my message and stuff. She told me. So what I was saying again? Hear that bad just distracted sometimes. Oh, the text message. That's a part of me having the phone. So it's 20 kids in the classroom. And I was asking, is there anything that I could not bring? No, is there's a limit of anything that I could not bring. But we have to do it after 12 o'clock for his birthday. So I will be there 12 o'clock on the dot. So I'm going to go get some cupcakes, and I'm going to order him a cake too. But I'm going to have the same girl who did my special someone in Jasmine cake. I'm going to have her to make his cake. We're going to Lion Country Safari, which that wasn't a part of the plans. He don't know he's going to Lion Country Safari, so that's where we'll be going. Go get something to eat afterwards. I don't know if we're gonna go to his favorite spots, which are Longhorns, Red Lobster, and McDonald's. So it's out of one of those three. I know we ain't doing no damn McDonald's. I'm not doing no damn McDonald's. But, and after that, spring break, he gonna go with his dad. His dad will pick him up from there or whatever, or he may meet us over there. So I don't know. We're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, so that's all I pretty much got. But I'll show you guys when the stuff come about and things like that. Yeah, and of course, my emojis. So let's go ahead and do this. Get started on the washing machine, washing them towels and stuff, and then go in this room and get this bed together, put them sheets there on there because it needed some more sheets and stuff like that. So yeah, drinking my water. Gotta flush myself out. These are the towels and stuff that I had in there. So go ahead and some water. I'm gonna do a double rinse. Heavy, super large. Okay, cold. This is the same washing machine I had in Orlando. The same exact one. Look at this room. Look. So, rug. Not bad. I should have washed the pillows because I see the Kool-Aid all over there on that damn pillow right there. Who wants some kids? Ooh. And let there be light, the Lord said. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I got to move this mattress off here because I got to put the thing that I put up under it sort of protect it and stuff like that. I should have washed these pillowcases. I mean, these pillows. Oh well. I'm standing here with a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the kiss. And when I write, get it on time. All right, R.I.P. to Aaliyah. Aaliyah. Let's do that. Let's do this. Should have watched that too. Now let me go get the other stuff. It's hot. It's hot. I just turned the AC on. It seemed like it taking forever to blow. But look at the flowers. They are so pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna set them right here on the thingy. I was gonna put them on the dining room table, but I'm sitting right here on this little tray that I got sitting down here. Y'all know this little tray here. And put this over there. Set the flowers right here so they can bloom. These from Publix too. They Publix flowers be so pretty. They bloom so good. They last longer. So done. Now wait for that to do what they're gonna do. All right, y'all. So I'm done. I'm tired. I'm not even going to the nail shop this weekend. I have to go during weekdays because weekdays are much better than weekends. So there may be a video next week. I don't know what else I'm gonna do with it. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I don't know. But anyways, Queens Kings, I'm gonna end this video here because I'm tired. I'm over it. I want to just rest now, and I need to finish editing. So anyways, Queens and Kings. Hey, that rubbing my eye like a little bitty child. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next one. You queens and kings continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tilt, baby, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye, y'all. Love y'all. And thank you guys once again for telling the queen congratulations. Y'all, we got a job. 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 That's just how excited I am. Child, I'm already going into my little budget world and everything. My special someone talk about, ooh, child. Somebody about to be working. Now, I know I said I was ending this vlog, but I just have to say that man is one happy guy. He's just tired of me spending all his damn funds. That's all it is. But nevertheless, he's very happy of me, happy and proud for me, excited for me. I mean, say, I'm just that tired. So I'm gonna go. But I love y'all. I love y'all.